What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video I have got my hands on Ultimate Ear Wonderboom 2. It's a wireless Bluetooth speaker, come with a 5.0 connectivity with surprisingly bigger 360 degree sound and additional bass. Come with 13 hours of battery life, powering 13 whopping hours of killing sound and a long lasting battery. See through the day trip, beach and biking adventure if you are into it. Also come with IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, and also it's a drop proof too, from up to 1.5 meter. I have done this test guys, you can see that all. Now Wonderboom come with an extra new outdoor boost button feature, which will help you to increase the volume of your outdoor on a one click of a button. And a good thing is it's very loud and clear in outdoor listening. You can also double up now in a true stereo, pair two Wonderboom 2 speakers and simply party louder and enjoy the true wireless stereo. I do not have this kind of a luxury for this video, but in future I'm sure I'm going to show you all this as well. Now from the first impression, looking into the quality around the Wonderboom 2, you can only tell one thing. It's fantastic. Also come with the dust proofing as well, so technically if the covering around it get dirtier, you can actually clean it with the tap water, no problem whatsoever. Now in front of the speaker you have a volume control plus and minus, and on the top power on and off button, one multifunctional button in the middle which will help you to play, pause, increase, decrease the volume, and a Bluetooth button as well with the status indicator light on it as well. They also include one ultimate ear hanging loop too, which will help you to be handy when you're doing a hiking actually. Where under the base we have a boost button which you can use indoor and outdoor if you want to, with the status indicator light on it as well. And process of pairing this Wonderboom 2 with your mobile phone device or any Bluetooth enabled device is easy and straightforward. Power it up first. Here on the top is your Bluetooth button. And if you don't see it flashing, you need to press and hold of it to get into the pairing mode kind of. There you go. Now we are kind of ready. Straight away jump into the Bluetooth settings of your mobile phone and locate in available devices Wonderboom 2. Select it, click onto the pair button, and that's about it. You're also going to hear audible notification on your Wonderboom, as well as the status indicator light will be going solid too. Well, now it's time for the audio performance, where I will be playing some royalty free music from YouTube, which will give you an idea that how loud is this Bluetooth speaker is actually. We'll be running it in indoor mode as well as an outdoor mode with the boost button on and off as well. we are in the end of this video, and I try to show each and everything a typical user should know about this Wonderboom Bluetooth speaker. Starting with the sound performance, so as a drop test and a water test as well. The best features which I like the most about this Bluetooth speaker was this boost button actually in the bottom. That actually increased the sound quality like anything. Bass is punchy and very loud as well for the size you are going for. That is a great thing I like the most about it. Now, only thing which I would prefer to have in this one is the option of having a micro SD card, so I can use it like a MP3 player as well, because on the beach connecting the mobile phone using your data, I don't like that kind of a thing. So having a SD card would always give a plus point to it. And the second thing is the feature of having microphone input to use it as a hands-free as well. Well, it's not always you are on the beach, sometimes you are in office too. So it would have been a multi-purpose Bluetooth speaker and would have kept him all the time with me as well. I hope I have answered each and everything you wanted to know about it. And if I'm not, guys, please do let me know in the comment section below. I would be happy to assist with it, and I try to find out some solution for you too. Now, in my next video, I'll be comparing this Wonderboom 2 with the Wonderboom 1. So stay tuned if you are interested in that kind of a video too. Now, that will be all from my side, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.